$5. That's all it takes to become an investor on Stash. Answer a few questions about your financials, and within minutes, you can buy fractional shares of exchange-traded funds like Clean and Green and Global Citizen, all managed by reputable firms like Vanguard and BlackRock. Another app that's making investing easy and affordable is Acorns. It rounds up your spare change from debit and credit card purchases, and once you've squirreled away $5, it's invested. Brandon Krieg is the CEO of Stash. He says $5 is the entry point, but users are investing more than that.
$5 for us is more conceptual, that you can start with $5, but what we're finding is most of our customers are setting up auto stash, and they're not just investing $5 once. They're investing considerably more money on a weekly or bi-weekly basis.
The app went live a little over a year ago. Since then, the company says it has attracted 250,000 users. That has been good for business. The company has raised close to $12 million in the span of 1 year from venture capital firms in Silicon Valley, New York, and London.
Stash and other similar apps make their money off fees. Stash charges $1 a month for balances under $5,000 and 0.25% a year for anything above that.
If you have a balance under $5,000 at Stash, and a lot of people do because it does, again, sort of target beginner investors, you really want to translate what you're paying into a percentage of the assets you have invested, so then you can compare to other services.
Another app, Robinhood, lets you buy and sell stocks and ETFs for free. Robo-investors like Wealthfront, which requires a $500 minimum, will manage your first $10,000 at zero cost. But what makes Stash stand out is its guidance in investing.
If you want to learn how to do this yourself, you may be willing to pay for Stash to teach you. If you don't want to learn how to do this yourself, and you're just a new investor who, would prefer to have a robot manage your money, then Wealthfront, you're probably going to get more value.
Whatever your preference, there are now more options than ever for people with limited funds looking for an easy entree into investing. Karina Huber, CCTV, New York.